VP26X ng Vorsk, color DE. Ayan, naka fiber optic sights front and rear sights. Metal slide. And then naka ano siya, parang strike face na ano, naka compensator. So yung lower frame niya is metal din. And then may under rail na rin for attachment. Ganda ng grip. Ito yung kabilang side. So may serration dito sa may likuran. And then yung outer barrel niya is, teka, tingnan natin kung threaded. Ayan, threaded. Price nito is 8,300. Check nyo na lang sa Vorsk folder natin sa Google Drive. And then, kasama dun sa box, may kasama siyang mga accessories like itong nozzle, extra nozzle, and then thread for CO2 na spring. Ito. By the way, CO2 compatible siya, dual power. Okay, so titest na natin. Check natin kung ilang FPS out of the box. 343.